sleep. I got some brand new shit up my fucking sleeve. Drama boy, bitch, and that's the way we roll. We come through the block, and we don't duck shit. And guarantee you every time it's a direct hit. And I don't fuck around, especially with clowns. You ain't never gang, bitch, so we back down. What up, fucking dollar? What up, C9? You know I hustle hard, you know I hustle smart. I'm a captain, and I don't do shit. And if they come through, then we spray up their whips. And I'm still icy, and I'm still nice. And if they fuck around with me, they playing with the dice. This is serious UNF gang, and we back, bitch, and I ain't even got the chain. Guess what, nigga, I ain't even cop the range. And right now, YA gon' do his thing. And for the niggas that left me and thought I was hurt, guess what, bitch, I'm still putting in work. I still smoke good, I'm still in the hood. I smoke Newports, nigga, like I really should. Smoke Kush every day like a fucking ounce. And all these fake ass niggas, y'all can fucking bounce. And I'm here, I'm always got the dope. I got the crack, so you know I got the antidote. And if a nigga talk crazy, then all she wrote better be cool, cause you know I carry the scope. I be at a nigga throat for real. Niggas talk that shit, I got that bread for real. I put it on your head and I carry steel. Niggas that know me for real know I'm fucking for real. Fuck you, man, nigga. Drama boy, L's. Fuck you, man, L's, man.